Welcome back to my channel, Ruff. Ear infection. What is the cause? Today, we're going to talk about what is the cause of dog ear infection. Do you know why? Causes of ear infections in dogs. Bacteria in the ear is a primary cause of infections. However, yeast, fungus, and ear mites can all cause your pup's ears to become infected and painful. Other causes of dog ear infections include foreign objects lodged in the ear, trauma, and tumors or polyps. According to AKC.org or American Kennel Club, many dog owners have learned to recognize the telltale signs of an ear infection. Number 1, whining. Number 2, scratching. And number 3, head shaking are often the first symptoms of the problem. Ear infections are common conditions in dogs, especially those with floppy ears such as Basset Hounds and Cocker Spaniels. There are 3 types of ear infections. Number 1, otitis externa. Number 2, media. Number 3, interna. Let's talk about this. The most common is otitis externa, in which inflammation affects the layer of cells lining the external portion of the ear canal. Otitis media and interna refer to infections of the middle and inner ear canal, respectively. These infections often result from the spread of infection from the external ear. Otitis media and interna can be very serious and may result in deafness, facial paralysis, and vestibular signs. That's why it's important to prevent infections and seek early treatment when possible or problems arise. Dogs who have ear infection may show signs such as number 1, head shaking. Number 2, scratching at the affected ear. Number 3, dark discharge. Number 4, other. Number 5, redness and swelling of the ear canal. Number 6, pain. Number 7, itchiness. Number 8, crusting or scabs in the ears. What are the factors that may predispose your dog to ear infections? Number 1, moisture, which can create a prime growing environment for bacteria and yeast. Number 2, allergies, which lead to ear disease in about 50% of dogs with allergic skin disease and 80% of dogs with food sensitivities. Number 3, endocrine disorders, such as thyroid disease. Number 4, autoimmune disorders. Number 5, wax build-up. Number 6, foreign bodies. Number 7. Injury to the ear canal. Number 8. Excessive cleaning. If your dog has an ear infection, your vet will want to know the following. Number 1. Duration of any symptoms, such as pain, swelling, discharge, and other. Number 2. If your dog has any allergies or other underlying medical conditions. Number 3. If your dog is on medication. Number 4. What your dog has been eating. Number 5. How often you clean your dog's ears and which products you use. Number 6. If you've trimmed or plucked the hair in your dog's ears. Number 7. Recent activities such as baths, grooming, or swimming. Number 8. If your dog has a history of ear infections, when they occurred, and how they were treated. How are dog ear infections treated? Your veterinarian will thoroughly clean your dog's ears using a medicated ear cleanser. Your vet may also prescribe an ear cleanser and a topical medication for you to use at home. In severe cases, your vet may prescribe oral antibiotics and anti-inflammatory medications. Most uncomplicated ear infections resolve within 1 to 2 weeks once appropriate treatment begins, but severe infections or those due to underlying conditions may take months to resolve or may become chronic problems. In cases of severe chronic disease where other treatments have failed, your veterinarian may recommend surgery such as a total ear canal ablation or TECA. TECA surgery removes the ear canal, thus removing the diseased tissue and preventing the recurrence of infection. Can you prevent ear infections in dogs? As with most diseases, prevention is always best. Excess moisture is a common cause of ear infections, so be sure to thoroughly dry your dog's ears after swimming and bathing. If your dog is prone to chronic or recurrent ear infections, identifying and managing any underlying causes, such as allergies, can help prevent new infections from occurring. Cleaning your dog's ears at home can also help prevent ear infections. First, fill the canal with a dog ear cleaning solution and massage the vertical ear canal from the outside. Wipe out the canal with absorbent gauze. Don't use paper towels or cotton because this may leave fibers behind and those could cause irritation. Cotton swabs may also be useful for cleaning your dog's pinnae or the external ear flaps, but avoid using them in the ear canal, which may inadvertently push debris deeper into the canal. Ear infections are a common and often recurrent problem in many dogs, but with your veterinarian's help, you can keep your dog's ears clean and comfortable. If your dog is showing signs of an ear infection, seek treatment right away to ensure the problem does not become serious. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hit the notification bell, you'll see more uploads coming from me. Ruff, ruff, ruff! Now, let's talk about people also ask. How do you prevent ear infections in dogs? Tips to prevent ear infections. Use cotton balls in your dog's ears to prevent moisture from seeping in. Doggy snoods or hoods can work like bathing cups to protect from stray water if your dog tolerates wearing one. Dry your dog's ears with cotton balls after he swims. What foods cause ear infections in dogs? An excess of grain and/or sugar in the diet is a common cause of ear infections in dogs. Sugar feeds the yeast already in the body and causes an overgrowth, which results in the dark, yeasty, smelling buildup inside the ears. Why does my dog's ear infection keep coming back? Ear mites. Foreign materials such as grass, ants, and by far and away the most common is food allergies. Food allergies are one of the most common causes of recurrent ear infections in dogs. Food allergies in pets appear much differently than in humans and result in inflammation, often in the ear and GI tract. How can I treat my dog's ear infection without going to the vet? Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help reduce the itch and discomfort of an ear infection. Mix 1 part vinegar and 1 part filtered or spring water. Clean the visible parts of the ear with a cotton ball soaked in the mixture. Make sure you get the liquid into the ear canal by holding your dog's ear still. Does vinegar cure dog ear infection? You don't have to wait until medical attention is necessary. Apple cider vinegar is both harmless and helpful in preventing and yes, even curing ear infections in dogs. Try to let it sit for as long as your dog will allow, scratching and rubbing the ear to help it get deep down into the ear canal. Can humans give dogs ear infections? Ear infections are not contagious for humans or other pets, but some parasites, like ear mites, can spread to other pets. If your veterinarian diagnoses your dog with ear mites, you may have to treat all other animals in the household.
Chubi is a good girl.
Don't forget to give your dog a treat for staying still and for letting you to treat her ear problems. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and follow me for more. Ruff, ruff, ruff!